Wondershare Filmora for noobs. Drag in the footage that you would like to isolate the colors, and it all is to go according to your storytelling. Well, now that we have a video down here in the timeline, there are actually two methods that you can use to achieve this very effect. Alright, so the very first one right here, of course, is to go to the color tab right here. You skip the basic tab, you skip the keys as well as the color wheel. You have nothing to do with all those. Go right and stay right there on the HSL. Alright, now the very first thing right here is to make sure that your GPU is good enough, because this has to do with the colors. Well, the trick here, my dear friend, is quite easy. The idea here is just to desaturate all other colors that you do not want in the frame. Like in this case right here, the Beast games, they usually desaturate all colors except the blue. Alright, so we're going to replicate the very same one right on this frame, but make sure you watch all this video because there is also another method that I'm going to show you, which takes literally less than 10 seconds. So wait for that one after this method right here. So we are going to use the HSL, which gives us the opportunity to adjust or to desaturate all the 8 color channels, giving us the total control over all the colors or the footage. Starting with this first one right here, when I select it, I leave all other as they are, and then reduce the saturation to minus 100%. Do the same thing for all other colors that you actually do not want in the frame. Like this case right here. Now, if you can look right here, my dear friend, you can actually see this thing is literally less than a minute to do. It's so simple and very quick. Everyone should do that. Now, if I can try to replay the preview right here because my GPU is not good enough, it's not going to show up properly. But if your GPU is well enough, you're going to get as you are seeing it. However, if you also face some color challenges while reviewing the playback, you just go on the File and then Project Setting, and right here you can change the color space to HDR Rig 21 0.0. Now it's time for the second method of achieving this effect, my dear friend. And now, well, you go to the Effects tab right there and then search for the color. And here you're going to see all these options right here, but what we want is Selective Color Effect. Take it down to your foot and you go to Effects Properties. Right here, you can use the preset option right there, or you can select the color that you want to leave in the frame. But for this, we are just going to use preset option. All these are the options that you can actually use to determine what color is going to be left in your footage. And for this example right here, I'm going to use this option right here, which is just blue. And that's actually it. There's no more reason to keep you here. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friend. If you found it very useful, please like, subscribe, and share to comment. Thank you so much for doing that. And I meet you in the next episode of this series.